Hey, it's Youcook here today. I'm going to show you how to prepare a quick, easy, and simple side dish today using Brussels sprouts. Add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter. To prepare the Brussels sprout, first cut the bottom end of each Brussels sprout, then take out rooted or discolored leaves. Slice the veggie vertically in 1/2 and place the inside part of the Brussels sprout into the pan and sear the inside part for about 5 or 10 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Then you can flip it over and you will see how beautiful the color looks. Look at the color, it's beautiful. This is a side dish you want to bring to a potluck to show off to your friends. It's very simple to make, it's very easy, doesn't waste your time, and it's very tasty. I hope you like my video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. To finish the dish, add 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce and use half-size lemon and squeeze the juice into the pot. That's it. Simple as that. It's very tasty and crunchy. This is a very easy and simple dish. I hope you try it and let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye now.